We are dressed up as witches today. And it's a July. Middle of July. We're dressed up as witches. Because we are going to attend an event that we found on Instagram. We're not invited, but they posted it and they said everyone can come.
Zumba.
There's a Zumba party. And they asked all of the participants to wear a witch attire. Sing hello. We're going to the 7th floor. Look, I had curly hair and now it's flat. I hate this. I have a bathroom there somewhere. Shining. Now.
It's a nice idea.
Or you can still join.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we are going to the room, but after.
You too. Have a great day. It's like we have to explain to everyone why we're wearing this,
Yeah.
which is so weird. Let's see. You think everyone knows everyone? Oh, shoot.
Some water. You want to get some water?
Yeah. So we just got past the registration. Now I have a... Oh my God! Look! Look, guys! Look! Whoa! This is so cool! Are you ready, Anne?
Huh?
Are you ready to dance?
Ready? I don't know what to expect. Let's go.
Me too. Or we can just sit there if you want. I don't know if I heard it right. They said we're getting a free beer or something.
I don't know. I think you have to buy beer here. 100 baht per bottle.
This is why you shouldn't overthink. Kasi kanina, napaparinig ako, sabi ko, lo, hindi ako marunong mag-Zumba. Tapos kanya, si Ande, nag-iisip siya, sabi na, naglado siya experience mag-Zumba. Eh, manonood lang pala kami ng mga batang nag-Zumba. Very nice.
Ay, ปิดเลยไหมคะ
Yay. Cheers. So we came here for the Zumba, but now we're having beer.
Beer.
Wow,
Cider.
this is so good. It's like pure pineapple juice.
No? We have the cider.
Yeah, but it tastes like pineapple juice.
Yeah. Yummy.
We're supposed to dance and exercise. Eh? Body, yeah, rock your body. So what is this? As we just
I think it's our dancing. It's like an intro, like
for the main event.
before the main event starts.
There's something wrong with Anne's mic.
I'll talk in your mic.
It's time. Okay. While holding the beer and not recording.
Now show, arrange your squat and knees up to move left and right. Just right here.
Okay.
Okay. Well, you look so good today.
Me or this?
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Are you ready? I'll put you guys here.
That's cool. Look at the outfit today. Oh my god. This one. I can't recommend more you. The next one we're gonna do super
Yeah,
dance with Queen the Queen.
Yay!
ไปไว้ใกล้ๆตัวนะฮะ เพราะวันนี้อากาศดี
Are you ready?
ฝนไม่ตกวันนี้อากาศดีมาก
Your microphone is not working.
แน่นอน
Can still hear
แน่
you.
นอนครับวันนี้
It's okay.
We're not gonna talk
เสียง
it.
ไหมฮะข้างหลังเอาไหมคนน้อยโดเรมี
It's off.
No.
มาเลยจ้ะมาเลยจ้ะ
Why not?
Dạ.
Why?
Step on it.
ต้องเริ่มเต้นตั้งแต่ก่อน
You can just put it back again later.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll put it. We have a spot, our own
See
spot.
how difficult it is.
รวมช่วยกันหน่อย
It's gonna be easy. It's
โอเค
okay.
วันนี้บรรยากาศของเราสนุกสนานนะฮะ
Wait, I'll show you guys.
ซีเรียสอะไรเลยเต้น
Look.
กันนะฮะเอาแค่ enjoy vibe together just vibe together enjoy yeah like that yeah
Yan na! Get mounted faith.
ฉันมีเวทมนต์ร้องได้ปะเป็นมดมีฤทธิ์เป็นไงยอมเอาใจเป็นใจ
Grabe, titang-tita na talaga ako. Nagsusumba na ako, day. Ay, paano yan?
เธอคือฉันคงใจกำลังร้องได้เปล่าให้ฟังให้บอกฉันดังๆ
Tigas ang katawan.
หน่อยหากยกหัวใจเอาอะไรก็ว่ามา
Hey! What's going on? Huh? What's going on? Hirap ng steps. It's hard. What's going on? Yeah?
Just the warm up.
Cheers. Grabe. Pamali-mali. Nagsusumba na ako ngayon. Bes, paano yan? Ay! We're allowed to rest, right? Yeah! That's what I'm talking about, diba? Shot muna ako, shot. Yes, Zumba na si Tita. I can't see. La. This energy drink. Tagalog. Tagalog yung kanta, guys. Oh. La. Kaldag. Bakit may kaldag-kaldag na ganyan? May kaldag. Hot. Oh, your makeup's still there. It didn't smudge. Grabe mo. Pamukha ko na si Undertaker. Teka lang. Yay! Go and go and go and go and. Mukha na akong pan gabi, oh. Ano yan? Ay, Ay, hirap pagbansot, hindi mo makita yung steps eh. Ha? Excuse me. Oh God, tumatalon siya. What the tumatalon? Di ba tapos? Gano'n sa ganda ng ilaw dito. May konting technical problem. Ito yung mga ano, di ba? Workout ng mga marites. Yeah, come on! Ay! Shit! Naiwan na ako.
Can you raise that สำหรับคนมาหน้าเวทีนะ
Hey! It was a successful vlog. Masaya siya. Masaya pala yung Zumba, no? Mas masaya siguro kapag ano, yung chismisan after. Charing. Ayan yung adventure natin for today. Pakita ko muna sa inyo yung view dito sa rooftop ng Intimate Hotel. Wait lang. Ayan, puro building. So, ayan lang for today. Antayin lang namin ni Andy serve yung food. Tapos, alis na rin kami. Hindi na kaya ng powers namin. Tsaka pahirap na ng pahirap yung mga steps nila eh. Ang hirap-hirap pa kasi nasa likod ako. Hindi ko makita yung harap eh. Hirap talaga pag bansot ka eh, no? Ayan lang. Ann, say bye-bye. Ann, say bye-bye. My God.
Nice, it's cool, it's a good experience.
She's so sweaty. Me too. We're sweating. Okay, guys, thank you for joining us for today. See you again next time. Vines.